Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an amazing tool that's making waves in 2024. Gradio. Can you believe you can create a user interface for your projects with just 2 lines of code? Yes, you heard that right, just 2 lines. Gradio makes this possible. Let's see the 2 lines first. Demo equals to gradio.interface and pass 3 arguments. fn equals to function name. Inputs equals to input type. Outputs equals to output type. Next, demo.launch. That's it. In the first line, you create an interface by passing your function and specifying the input and output types. In the next line, you simply launch it. That's it. You don't need any API or frameworks like Flask. Just 2 lines in Gradio. See how easily you get a user interface for your project with minimal effort. Gradio is a game changer for creating interactive machine learning and data science demos effortlessly. Today, I'll walk you through a simple example to get you started. We'll create a basic chatbot application and a face detection application using Gradio. So let's get into the code. First, import Gradio. Next, define the chatbot function that takes a single parameter. Def chatbot, input text. This function processes the user's input and returns an appropriate response. Next, define response conditions. If input text.lower equals to hello, return hello, how can I help you? Yell if input text.lower equals to how are you? Return I'm doing well, thank you for asking. Yell if input text.lower equals to bye. Return goodbye, have a great day. And the final condition handles any input that doesn't match the previous conditions. Else, return I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you please rephrase your question? Next, create the Gradio interface. Demo equals to gradio.interface and pass 3 arguments. First, fn equals to the function name chatbot. Second, inputs equals to input type, text. And third, outputs equals to output type, text. And an additional argument title equals to chatbot. This line creates an instance of the interface class from the Gradio library and assigns it to the variable chatbot demo. This sets up the web interface for our chatbot application. Next, chatbot-demo.launch. This line starts a local web server and opens the Gradio interface in your default web browser. Let's run the code. This will start a local web server and provide a link in the terminal. Click on this link. Here you go. This is the Gradio interface for our chatbot. Now, let's test our chatbot. Enter hello in the input field and click the submit button. Look at that. The chatbot responds with a friendly greeting. Hello, how can I help you? It's that simple. Let's ask the next question. How are you? Now enter bye. Finally, let's try an irrelevant question. Where is One Piece? See how easy and effortlessly Gradio made it to create a chatbot interface? You don't need any frameworks or APIs. Just import Gradio, define your function, and launch your demo. Gradio takes care of the rest. Now let's take it up a notch and create a face detection app using Gradio and OpenCV. This will allow us to upload an image and detect faces in it. Defines a function named detectFaces that takes an image as input and returns the same image with detected faces bounded by rectangular boxes. Next, create the Gradio interface. Demo equals to gradio.interface and pass 3 arguments. First, fn equals to the function name detectFaces. Second, inputs equals to gradio.image. This specifies that the input will be an image. And third, outputs equals to output type image. And an additional argument title equals to face detection. Next, demo.launch. Let's run the code. When you open the link, you'll see the Gradio interface with an option to upload an image. Now, upload an image and click the submit button. The face detection function will process the image and draw rectangles around any detected faces. Look at that. The faces in the image are detected and highlighted with rectangles. It's amazing how easy it is to create such an interactive application with Gradio. Gradio makes it incredibly straightforward to build and share interactive web applications for your machine learning and computer vision projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time. Happy coding.